Hey guys, it's me, TheLittleCuber, and today I will be doing another unboxing from the Speedcube shop, right there. Yeah. And I've been really excited in here for one reason. There will be a 2x2 in here that is very good and I really want for my main. Also, if my talking is really weird, I just got braces. So, yeah. Anyways, let's get into the unboxing. In Speedcube shop, if you're watching this, I like the packaging, reminding me of my emo days. Okay, so in here I have a mat. It's a lot better than my poop emoji mouse pad, let's just say. And we also have in here the Shengshou Fangyuan version 2. Very nice, very nice. Oh, that's the invoice. Don't want anyone seeing that. And this is what I've been waiting for this entire time. The Valk 2. There's no business card in here. There's no business card in here. Hold up, it might be on the invoice. Oh yeah, it's on the invoice. Oh, there it goes. There we go. That's really nice. I like it. So I'm gonna keep that for the collection. Just read the invoice. Yep, good, everything good. Yes. Time for the packaging, or the unboxing part, whatever. So first off, I'm gonna start off with the mat because I really been digging for a mat. Like, I don't think you can tell, but I just really need a mat. Oh, that is beautiful. That is so beautiful. Oh yes. Yes, the trash can's right here. Oh, yes. That right there, folks. Speedcube Shop Cosmic. If I could grab my timer, maybe I could show y'all what it looks like. Boom. Maybe I could do it like this. My Valk 3 power in here. Given to me by the +2Cuber. Amazing. I don't know if I should put it on top like this. Nah, I think I would just like put it on the edge of it, like right here, right next to it. There we go. So I'm just gonna keep it like this for the rest of the video. Turn it over to you so you guys can see that. And never mind. Okay, next one I'm gonna do the Shengshou Fangyuan version 2. It's magnetic too. Do you see what I said? Cause that was dumb. Beautiful logo. So, got a pan flip. Next thing here. How am I supposed to? Can't grab it. Oh, it's a bunch of stickers. Is it? Hold up. Since I was very dumb, I kind of like bought this without really seeing any reviews on it. So, yeah, that's some stickers. I don't know if I should leave it like this or like put it on another cube. These shades are really nice. I like them. Very good. I like it. Oh my gosh. Get in there! So pamphlet. And we got extra springs! Yay! Jazz hands. Okay. I'm gonna set that to the side. That's the box. Yeah, that's the box. Time for the actual cube. I don't know if I should use a knife or not for this. Oh my. Kind of greasy. Just gonna wipe that off with my hands. No biggie. Not with my hands. With my shirt. I'm smart. Don't worry about it. Okay, so first turns. Well, for sure version 2. And I already messed up. Very fast. Right out of the box, it's very fast. Definitely can feel those magnets. Just use them out there. Tensions, maybe I would make them a bit tighter. Slow this down a bit for corner cutting. Oh. Oh my. Oh, not like the Valk. Sadly. Hold up, I should get my Shengshou version 1. Should be in here somewhere. Reveal yourself. This is gonna take a while. I found it. Currently my friend is borrowing the other one I have. That's why it's illusion. I have 2. This one's a lot more controllable, even though it doesn't have magnets. But this one though, very, it's kind of stable, but like, this has like massive potential. Oh my god, the box, it just went wee. So anyways, for this one, the corner cutting, very, very bad. So they did help the corner cutting on this one. Let's see the mechanism difference. Oh my god. That's actually really hard to get out. So I'm going to be sure that there's going to be no pops at all. So, so this is the version 1, this is version 2. You can see the difference, especially because this one's a lot more dusty, but this one, interesting, still capped, so I can still turn this into an illusion cube. I kind of don't want to though, because this is actually really good, and I might use it as a main, like, but at the same time, I could use it, not a main, I could use this as a backup main. So I can definitely tell it is a lot better than the Shengshou version 1. Or at least it will be, because this got some mad potential. I'm just gonna set this up. Maybe I'll do a review depending on what you guys say. And yeah. So that's the Shengshou Fangyuan version 2. Now, on to what I am very, very excited about. This one I've been waiting for so long. I saw Sile the King's video on it. He said it was really good. And it was like, kind of what I loved is the brand Valk. Like, the brand Valk in general. So, it's like, I love the Valk 3 when I got it. It was my 3rd speed cube. It's kind of dumb to be honest, but still, it was really good. I really liked it. It was my main for quite a while. Now the Valk Power was my main. Then I switched over to the sticker one. The +2 Cuber gave it to me because, you know, yes, I traded this with him. I really like the +2 Cuber Premium cubes. They're really good. Oh my god, I'm making a fool out of myself. But still, I really like this cube he gave me, and I really think it's really good. And yeah, I decided to get the Valk 2 because there was a lot of good reviews on this, and I really need a good 2x2. And also, It's in black and magnetic. Oh god. My Instagram is blowing up. I think I need to take that out. Shove that in the trash can. That's bringing back so many memories. Ooh. Ooh. Let's call Matt's Valk Mr. Fancy. Because that is very, very fancy. I like that. So, we got this. Oh my gosh, this is reminding me of when I first got my Valk. Ooh! Okay. So, what we have here, we have this. I can use this somehow. Maybe to clean my phone, you know. Valk 2M, the Valk 2M. Rubik's Cube World Record, 4.74 seconds. I feel like his dignity is still recovering after that 4.73 that Felix got. But anyways, these are all very nice. Where's the sticker? Wasn't there like a sticker on the first one? I have it on the... I think I'll just set this to the side. Now, for this. The moment of truth. How do you open this? Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. Wait, but whoa. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. We got springs. Replacement springs. Just in case they break. Okay. Now for the cube. Oh, the shades. I love them. Maybe the blue. I would make it a little bit lighter. But, oh, I've always loved the Valk shades. They were amazing. I love them. I'm in love. Yeah. Okay, so anyways. I'll close this. Let's get on to first turns. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this is... Okay, no. I was trying to replicate that Valk Power M unboxing. But anyways, this is actually really good. I like it. It's very nice, very stable. And yeah, see corner cutting. Oh my. Does that corner cut everything? Oh, nope, it doesn't. What about reverse? I forgot reverse on the Shengshou Fangyuan. And if you wanted to know... Oh! That is very good. Okay. I see you. Okay. Ow, that hurt my knuckle. So, the Valk 2, first impressions, I love it. New main. Oh, my other 2x2s are trash. So, this is obviously going to be a main, either if it's good or not. Because this is all, like, I prefer a magnetic 2x2 over a Chuen that's not magnetic, so. This is really reminding me of that Chuen, but, like, it's really good, too. I would say it's kind of small, but then I realized this is 2x2, so. The Valk 4 is next. At least if it comes out. Well, I think that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys like what you see in this video. Stay tuned for some more epic Roblox gameplay. Okay, no. But stay tuned for more unboxings. Maybe, most likely I'll do a review on this. I don't know about this one though. That depends. But I will do a review on these. And yeah, obviously for matte it's new main. New main for matte. It's beautiful. Literally, I could use this as a mouse pad, but still, new main for matte. That's Valk. Ah! Well, that's gonna be it. Bye guys.